What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Hitting up another Nike outlet. Got Nike outlet Watts. Been finding some dope stuff here. Let's go see what's up. I am a pretty big fan of this store because they got refurbished stuff, dude. And I normally don't have a problem buying refurbished stuff. Most of it tends to be pretty clean. We've seen some dirty ones. I don't know. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Starting off over here, do got refurbished stuff. 20% off. Looks like the 40% off action is over. Alright, I guess we'll start with my size. Alright, let's start here. Let's start here. Size 8. Do got one of these. 20% off, not bad. When I found it for 40% off in Torrance, that was even doper. I'm gonna check Torrance after. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to check out Torrance, see what's going on here. Air Max 97s. $88. $88 size 9. Holy crap, 88 bucks. Looks clean too. Looks clean. It does say gently worn. Looks clean as hell, man. That's what's up. Dang, 88 bucks. You do remember 20% off on top of that? Wow. KD 15s go for 130. Oh, these are the really expensive cleats. Superfly. 9 Academies. Does have the Air on there, like the Air more up tempos. Okay. These are going for 125. Back to the size 8. 165 for these. Bronze, they still trying to get 230 for these now. PG 5s, 8.5, going for 120. It's a 9.5 or 10. Size 10. $80 for these. LeBron lows. Blazer Low GT Premiums going for $90. Okay. Pretty dope. Size 10, 110 for the 270s right there. Haven't seen these in a while. Holy crap. The Surtus, React Surtus go for 110. These are size 10. 185 for these. Size 10.5. Zion 2s going for 120. Size 10 right here. Got these, another one going for 20% off. At least you get a discount. More size 10. Oh my god, these aren't it, man. These are not it. Damn, the utilities right here. Oh my god, and the colorway on this. Oh my god. 170 right there. Size 10.5. Just chilling right here. These going for 200. Oh my goodness, that is just dope. That is dope. Damn, I've been wanting to find the clearance store. I definitely did not want to pay retail for these. 20% off. Is it worth it? Gotta think about that. I usually wear a size 10 too. I like size 10 on these because, yeah, these run a little big. Got some dunks. These are size 9.5 right here. Go for $135. These are some refurbs. Oh, that's not a refurb. $80 though. Size 13. Still being nosy in the size 10. Air Max 90s at 120. I've heard these run snug. I don't think I've ever had any Air Max 90s. Ooh, I missed these two AJKOs. Size 10, $150. Damn, I'm still wondering if the Jordan 13s, if it's worth it. 20% off. That is pretty dope. I think no, just because it's not a size 10, it's just 10.5. So I don't need my shoes to be that loose. I think I'm in the size 11.5, I guess. $70 for these. These are definitely interesting. Looks like some Louis Vuitton pair or something. They got gold bling on the back. It's definitely interesting. Going for $70. Not too bad. Trying to find as much of the refurbished stuff. Slightly imperfect. We got the Tempo Next percent right here. What these go for? 100 bucks. Okay. Lakers down $125. These are 11.5. Monarchs going for 38. Another 20% off on top of that. That is gently worn. What the hell? What are these? Oh, offline 3.0s. I've only seen the offline 2.0s. I didn't know 3s. The 2s had an open toe right here, but the 3s, it's closed toe, I guess. Okay. Refurbished going for 53. Normally 105. A size 12 PG 5s going for 70 bucks. Hella cheap. I saw these. I was like, what? Jordan 3 Black? No, not really. $2 bills for these. women's 11, which is a 9.5. This is in the wrong section. Okay, well, these are so fire. Other than the gold, the gaudy gold right there. Okay, they're trying to do something different, I guess. 2 bills for those. Not much in the size 12s up to the size 13s. Got some Zoom Freak 3s going for $63. So what is that, like 51 after the savings? 12.5 Air Max 97 telescopes going for 80 bucks. ISPAs right here. SenseFly Flynets. I don't think I've ever seen these. These are definitely interesting. Okay. 2 bills for these size 13. 270s right here. Is this a Shield? 270 Shield? Oh, it's a Golf. 270 Golf. Going for 130. That's a size 12. Got some Kyrie's. 12.5. Damn, $1.20. That's a Kyrie Lows. Size 14. Some these Challenger OGs. Going for 45. Refurbished. Jelly One. Vaporfly Next Percent's going for $250 full price. Size 15s, Vaporfly Next Percent, gently worn, go for $1.25, not bad. So that'd be what, like a little over $100. Vapor Max Finance, go for $210. I was like, what? Concord? No. 11 Low Comfort, size 14, $1.30 for those. Someone was holding this. I saw them put this back, 20% off. 20% off, man, not bad. Size 11. Talking to a couple people here, man. I need to go to a different outlet because I don't know if it's just this place that's 20% or if it's other places. Because we've seen 40% off a lot of spots. So I need to hurry up and check out another spot. So of course we are checking out the aisles now. Jordan 12s. That's pretty dope. Once they start running low on pairs, so like if all the size 12s and over or whatever sell out, once they start getting less and less sizes, they will throw that on the clearance wall. So if you happen to live close to some of these outlets, you might want to check a couple times because eventually those will be 20% off. So not bad. And sometimes they're going to sell out even at retail, so it just kind of depends on the demand of the shoes. You just kind of got to know that and kind of keep track, I guess. But yeah, Lift Off, another one of those. All right, prices are right, but why am I going through these individually? Nobody's ever asked about those. Do got the Max Auras right here. I know the non-sneakerheads, they do like those. 200 E's. Oh my goodness, that's definitely the cheapest we've seen for these, because that's what, $36 after discount. Wow. And then that's definitely the cheapest I've seen with these. Only go up to size 10.5 here though. Oh, size 11. They go up to size 11 here. That's definitely the cheapest. I've seen these. Some of the other places, we've seen them cheaper. Big Money Mo's seen them cheaper at other places. That's Big Money Mo on Instagram. He's a reseller, but he finds all kinds of crazy steals. And he does post them. This is Jordan 36. This is a Luka collab. And this is a low. That's not bad. What, like $18 off? So what is that? What, $72? $72. Goes only up to size 9 though. Oh damn, they only have size 8s and 9s. Dang it. Westbrook Take 1s. Jordan Hydro 6s. Another one of those. Witness 6. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. That's what, $42 or $40 after discount. About that, $40. Got plenty of sizes. Same one, different colorway. Go for way more. Soldiers, KD 15s, KD 14s. That's a hell of a price. KD Tri 5 10s. Go for way cheap. 9s right here. Another pair of 9s. Zoom Freak 4s. This one go for way more. I guess this one's just got here. Mortalities, a couple of those. And price is going down. The Del Dons. We've been seeing this more and more. Seems to be a basketball sneaker. Tells you the tech. Air Strobel unit. Also got Zoom Air. That's a really good combo. Air Strobel and Zoom Air. Air Strobel just means that the air unit is on top of the midsole, so you can kind of feel it and get a little more cushion. Okay. Invincible Run Flynet. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature. Another one of those. Pegasus 37s. Phantom React Flynet. Flex Run 11s. Going for damn way cheap. What was that $27? Okay. free Metcon 3s. Free Metcon 3s. Another one of those. Some Monarchs. And the only Cortez available, the baseball cleats version. Like, dang it. Like, why don't they make... Why don't they just make these in the regular Cortez, man? Dang, almost forgot this interior portion right here. Air Forces. Got some trainers. Bo Jackson trainer ones. More Forces right here. Another one of these quick strikes with that crazy soft material. Free Run 2s. Some Blazer mids. Kill Shot 2 leathers. Court Vision lows. Ebernons. I don't know. Does anybody look for Ebernons? I'm telling you, these look like Stan Smiths, yo. Look at that. Like Stan Smith, Nikes right here. AKA Court Royale 2s. Harachis. All right, we are checking the women's section. Women's section's been pretty mediocre, but we're still gonna check. Air Max 97s right here, silver bullets, go for 180. Were the silver bullets, did they have the purple Nike sign or the red one? I don't remember, but yeah. 270s, these are a size 10.5, go for 160. Air Max 90 Futuras, go for $100. These are size 10. Some J's right here, some J's. Jordan 12. These are the Hyper Royals, I believe. Yeah, but size 8.5 men's, size 10 women's. 2 bills, you do get that 20 off. Some Jordan 1 lows here, size 9.5. I'm not really feeling these too much though. That would be decent, or that would be decent, but yeah, that I'm not feeling these. I'm not feeling these. Other than the homage to Holmes, I'm kind of good on that color blocking. Size 8 Air Force One Shadows right here, go for 130. Blazers 8.5, go for 85. Not really seeing too much stuff. Air Max 97s go for 120. Blazer low Nike by use. Okay, and this is canvas version. These go for what? $58. That's a size 9. Got some Forces right here. Go for $110, size 9. Another one of these, size 9. Go for 180. The other one we saw was a 9.5. Jordan 2s right here go for $250, size 9. All right, we're checking the women's house now. Forces, Air Force One Shadows. The platforms, that just means the midsole's a lot thicker, a lot higher. Platform right there. Regular Air Force One. The Fontankas, these have Nike React in it, a little more comfy. They use a tumble leather on these too. Okay. Not too many sizes though. Only size what? 8.5 and 10. Oh wait, they got a 7.5 right there. And the women's house, they got socks. They got freaking water bottles, duffel bags. They got all kinds of other stuff. I guess they're low on women's products. Got some Air Max 97s. This is youth right here. Air Max 90s. These are all kids, grade schools. Another one of those. Oh, back in the women's, we got some Pegasus 39s, 38s, so 37s. Out of all these, the 39s, the newest ones, the cheapest. What the hell? That doesn't make sense. Back in the grade school, remember, it's not about how long or how old the sneakers are. It's about how long they've had the sneakers at this store. That's usually how the discounts work at the outlets. There are more up-tempos in the grade school right here. Some Free Run 2s. LeBron 18. Well, that's pretty much about it. Apparel deals only 20% off. I think I might post a couple things on the shorts and then wrap it up, dude. That's what I might do. I didn't even notice this. They do have a couple of the Jordan 2s. I got some returns. Not all sizes, and they're also trying not to give the 20% off. Okay. All right, I am nosy, so I'm poking around. 20% off clearance apparel raincoat. Freaking $60 for a raincoat. Normally $125 for just like a piece of plastic. What the hell? USA for the soccer team, right? $30 for this one, size medium, long sleeve. I'm gonna be honest, not really much sticking out. Ooh, this fleece is really nice. I'm just not a big fan of the black fleece because it does fade. But yeah, these are normally $7 down to $37. You do get that 20 off. Got these Jordan shorts. I saw these a while back. $25. It is a triple XL. Wow. Got them in, is this a small right here as well? Oh, this is a triple XL as well. The small section. All right, not really seeing much. All right, we're gonna wrap it up. We're done. We're done. Out. All right, guys, that's pretty dope. It's only 20% off, but to be able to get Jordans for under retail, that is pretty fire. They're Jordan 1s, and like they don't really have much resale, but to be able to get Jordans for under retail, like I'm all about that. This place also has that refurbished section, so it's always worth checking out. It is a drive for a lot of people, but it's like that everywhere in LA, right? So it is what it is. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thanks so much for making it to the end. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys help away it. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty videos coming. My bad, last week I did miss a couple days, but yeah, life's just busy sometimes. But yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.
Yeah. Yeah.